Forward to the next webinar, and I'll tell you why. You can look on something like the screen like this. We're going to simplify trading, whether you're a beginner or you're an expert. I'm going to show you the top insider hedge fund tips, not just from my 18 odd books published by the Financial Times and my experience as a hedge fund manager, but also from the leading traders in the world who were in those books and from my Financial Times columns. Trading, after all, is supposed to be simple. It is following a signal. That's a short signal. And you can see with the Dow, and indeed if the market's going to collapse, we want to know how to profit from these falls. How do we know when to sell, when and where to put stop losses, where and when to add to our winning positions? And you look at something like this, which we're doing right now as I prepare the webinar, and you can see the markets can continue falling. You can continue making money off the back of it. How can you set this up and leave and go? After all, trading is as simple as clicking a buy button or a sell button. So why do 75% of people get it wrong? Why do 75% of private investors lose money? And what are the 25% doing right? What do they know about where to put those stops? What do they know about how to add to their winning positions? What are those strategies? What do they know about not being screen slaves and when trends are about to happen? We're going to cover also how computers are now ruling the markets, how artificial intelligence and pattern recognition is taking over, how to use multiple time frames, multiple indicators, so you don't have to spend much time in front of a screen. In fact, I show people how to simplify things so they're in front of the computer screen maybe at most 15 minutes before and after work, just scanning the markets very quickly and then focusing on one trade a day. I give you a full business plan for this. Watch the webinar. It's the most informative 90 minutes you're ever going to have for all those people who wanted to have a side income or leave their day jobs or maybe become a fund manager. We're going to break it down for you. So bring a notebook, set aside 90 minutes, the best, most informative, important 90 minutes you're ever going to have. So you're going to enjoy it and it's going to be entertaining as well. I'll see you then.